Hey, what's your name?
104.
I'll be 2 Victor.
Are you gonna try to get down?
34.
It's right there.
What's right there?
Right there. Please watch out.
Are you seeing something?
Right there in front of me.
What are you seeing?
On October the 4th, 2020, at approximately 12:05 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched on a call about a man who crashed his vehicle on a baseball diamond and somehow got him stuck on top of a fence. The man only had one leg. One interesting thing about this particular video is that the primary officer is on field training. This means he's a brand new officer out of the academy. There are moments in this video where you'll see his FTO coaching him through the process and helping him figure out what he is supposed to do. At the end of the day, the officers were unable to determine whether this man was intoxicated or suffering from a mental breakdown. He was transported to a local hospital for evaluation.
Copy, 1593 Hilliard Rome at the Capitol Roof, drop the back door.
450, go with me.
Copy.
No, you can climb under this fence right here if you need to get in. Here, Kaylee, lift up. You got it.
9081. They're actually on the baseball field. We're gonna try to get over there, but maybe at the chase.
Let's go under. Let's go under.
We need somebody get him down. He only got one leg.
All right.
You got it?
Can you get this off me?
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, copy on the baseball.
Guy up on the fence, he only got one leg. Right up there on the fence. He only got one leg.
$625.
Why is he trying to run?
Another 46.
Who's trying to run?
Westbound, west ahead.
On the fence.
What's going on, man?
Watch out.
Watch out for what?
You guys want to jump on the tree. You're gonna shoot.
Who's gonna shoot?
They're in these bushes right here.
Who is?
I tried to help him down. Watch out. You driving?
Hey, bud, why don't you get down? Hey, buddy.
Yeah, okay, try to talk to him.
Hey, man. What are you doing? Why don't you come down?
Yeah. Watch yourself.
Hey, what's going on, man? You take any drugs or anything?
Yeah.
What'd you take?
104.
Hey, what's your name?
104.
I'll be 2 Victor.
Are you gonna try to get down?
34.
It's right there.
What's right there?
Right there. Please watch out.
Are you seeing something?
Right there in front of me.
What are you seeing? Hey, sir, what are you seeing?
There's somebody on the side of the fence right here.
Who is? What's your name? Huh? Sir, what's your name?
Alright, let's go ahead and get him down here in a second. Take gloves on.
What should we do once we get him down?
Try to find out who he is.
Well, he's going through something, so what do we want to make sure he doesn't have?
Let the medics look at him.
What do we want to make sure he doesn't have?
Oh, weapons.
Hey, Mike, can I help you? Huh.
They're going to help him down. You don't mind?
Down? What's your name?
Got a guy with a big floodlight over there.
You might hold him on as well. Thank you. Hey, sir, let's get down.
Later, all right? You just come on down.
Let's get down, sir. Come on down.
There you go.
I'm gonna help you down, all right? Do you have any weapons on you?
No, what's up?
Wait, hey, can you put your hands behind your back for me?
Watch out.
Put your hands behind your back.
There you go.
I'll hold him. Just do your pat down. It's going to be awkward, but just do it. Were you driving the car?
Hey, stop fighting with me. Stop fighting with me, please. Were you driving the car, man? Huh? Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Hey, stand up.
Think you're good?
Yeah.
Is it just one person, Pete? Yeah, I think so.
192, you can clear all the other cars.
Okay, anybody now to see at Palin Roll?
You want me to just sit him down for you guys, or?
Yeah, that works. What's going on, man? What's your name?
What's your name? Look up, look up, look up.
Thanks. Hey, why don't you sit up? Can you sit up?
Dilated. Not crooked. It's dilated.
Medic 1787, you guys be up there?
Don't bring it out.
You see the cot across that fence? So start
hear
asking
him?
names, stuff like that.
Hey, man. Hey. Can you hear me?
I'm not sure you're gonna get the cot back here.
Can you hear me? Hey, right here. Can you hear me? What's your name? What's your name? Hey, did you drive that car? Yeah? Alright, what's your name? Hey, right here. Look at me. What's your name?
My name is Soul Squad Channel 2, Soul Squad Channel 2.
Hey,
625.
sir, what's your name?
Yeah, the semi doesn't have a driver with him. I go up to the pilot station. See if
Hey,
I
can you hear me?
It might have been the 16 we had earlier on.
Look to see, check, get a wall.
No, thanks.
Hey, can you sit up? Can you sit up? Come on, sit up. There you go, sit up.
Alright, you can lay back down.
Anybody find an idea on anything? What do you look like?
Got dirty for no reason.
It's empty.
Empty? So, what are our other options to try to figure out who he is?
Check the car.
Okay, check the car. What else helps with that?
What else could help us with that?
Yeah.
182.
What's on the car? That might
Oh, license plate.
He called me at 9:30 at night.
How did he get back here?
Yeah, he drove over the fence.
Yeah.
Because I was able to
He's doing the pole though. Yeah. Let's go.
Come on.
Your white 2005 Mitsubishi, Patricia Catherine. Grenadine, 5871 Spring Run Drive, out of Columbus. Okay, thank you.
We'll need a dice officer.
All right. You stand up, all right?
There's a bottle of whiskey right in the front seat.
You stand up. What'd you do? Roll it back over. There you go. Good job.
Do you want me to stay with the car?
One Victor on
Sorry. No, you're good.
4A, what's going on?
Can you stand up?
Car, maybe?
I don't know which one.
I don't even know what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Down back. Sit down, Bob. Here you go. Get those three across.
I mean, he's. I didn't smell any alcohol. I know you said there's stuff in there, but you don't smell like it.
You can get really close to his face if you want. I would not advise that.
Yeah.
Alright. Well,
I saw an empty bottle of liquor there.
okay. Well,
Calling that he's being transported.
yeah, go down there, get the medic number and everything.
Is he considered stable? Because he's
Yeah.